Let's complete answering the revision sheet. In the previous video, we stopped at number 32, so let's start with 33. Water is not let into the houses, but is supplied by the usual in the street. Of course, it will be the stand pipe. It's a public tap in the street in which people can go and get some water. Number 34, choosing the right is important for proper watering. This is the perfect way to water the gardens without wasting water. So choosing the right sprinkler is important for proper watering. You can revise the vocabulary sheet. You can revise standpipe and sprinkler. Number 35, don't waste water. This sentence is a statement, order, question, or exclamation. When I have exclamation mark at the end, don't plus verb in the infinitive form, of course, this is an order. It's a negative order. Number 36, I need to buy a new, of course, pair of shoes for the dance. What does the suffix er mean in the word teacher? Okay, in the word teacher, I have the root is teach, and I have the suffix er. So the suffix er means full of, without, one who, or able to. Of course, it means one who teaches. Number 38, when you do not listen to your parents, you, okay, I have here not, listen. So I need a prefix that means not. That's why it will be disobey. I have des, that means not, and obey. Number 39, when you want to watch something again, you, I have here again, I need a prefix that means again, that's why it will be re-watch. I have re and the root watch. So re-watch means to watch something again. Number 40, knowing the meaning of the prefix mess helps you know that misdirect means to direct wrongly, the most direct, someone who directs, or to direct before, of course, to direct wrongly, because mess means wrongly or in a wrong way. Let's move to number 41. What does understandable mean? I have understand and able, so it means without understanding, able to understand, cannot understand, or full of understanding. Of course, it would be able to understand. Number 42, knowing the meaning of the prefix un helps you know that unconnected, I have unconnected. So I have the prefix un, the root, connect, and the suffix ed. So unconnected means the most connected, to connect again, not connected, or someone who connects. If I have the prefix un, of course it means not connected, because un means not. Number 43, the prefix un means again, not before, or too much. We mentioned here that un means not. Un means not. Number 44, what does the suffix able mean? It means, of course, able to. When you do not agree with someone, you, I have here not and agree. So does it mean disagree, pre-agree, re-agree, and or unagree? It will be disagree, because I have the prefix des, that means not. (46) Knowing the meaning of the prefix re help the reader know that reuse means to use the most, to use again, to use before, or did use. So I have here re and use. So reuse means to use something again or to use again. 47. What is the root word in the word borrower? What I have in borrower? I have borrow, the root borrow, and the suffix er. So where is the root here? The root is, of course, borrow. Number 48, which of these prefixes means again? Again means like reuse, to use something again. Rewatch, to watch something again. Rewrite, to write something again, and so on. Number 49, if you want to say something is not possible, you would say that it will be impossible. So I have the prefix im, means not. Number 50, Erica was asked to spell the word cat. She spelled it K-A-T. Is it correct? Of course, it's not K, it's a C. Erica spelled the word. The prefix mess means right, wrong, not, or below. Of course, it's wrong. She messed the word cat wrongly, in a wrong way. Why? Because wrong equals mess. 51, the prefix means again. So if you rebuild something, you build it for the first time, tear it down, build it again, or fix it up, of course, build it again. Let's move to 52. What is the root word in the following words? I have read, I have read. Readable, I have read. And reading, I have read. So the root is read. 53, what does the word replay mean? Okay, try to remember with me, we mentioned before the prefix like rewrite, reuse, rewatch. So the prefix means again. So replay means to play again. Number 54, when something is not fair, I have here not and fair. So it's unfair because the prefix un means not. Number 55, the prefix mess means wrong. So mess and behave means, of course, to behave in the wrong way. Number 56, what is the meaning of the word unclean? I have the root clean and the prefix un. Unclean, it means to clean before, to clean again, not clean or in a clean way. Of course, it means in a clean way. I'm sorry, it's unclean means not clean. Because we mentioned before that un means not. Unclean means not clean. Let's move to number 57. Which word below has a prefix? Uncle, unhappy, under, or understand. So uncle, do I have any prefix here? It's uncle, it's one word, it's root, uncle. Okay, unhappy, yes, I have un, and happy. Happy is an adjective that has meaning, happy. Under, what will happen if I will take un? I will have just der. Is there a word that means der? Of course not. Okay, what about understand? What will I take on? Do we have something called understand? Understand? Of course not. So which word here that has a prefix? Of course it will be unhappy. Number 58, the root bio. In the word biography means live, to write, study, or from afar. Of course it means live. Biography means the life or someone or a person. Number 59, which of these prefixes means bad or wrong? Bad or wrong? Is it pre? Pre means before. Un means not. Re means again. And mess means bad or wrong. So mess means bad or wrong. Number 60, if your teacher tells you to rewrite something, I have here rewrite. So you will write it again, write it for the first time, erase it or write more, of course, to write it again. Number 61, what is the prefix in disassociate? I need the prefix. So I have the root associate and I have the prefix des. So des is the prefix. Number 62, the word summer has 1 syllable, 2 syllables, or 3 syllables. It's summer, summer. So it has 2 syllables. The syllable is a word or part of a word that has only 1 vowel sound. So in some, I have 1 vowel sound from letter U, and mer, I have the second vowel sound from letter E. So it's a summer, summer. It has 2 syllables. Let's move to number 63. The word marshmallow has 1 syllable, 2 syllables, or 3 syllables. So it's a marshmallow. Marshmallow. So it has 1, 2, 3 syllables. Marshmallow. It has 3 syllables. Number 64, the word winter has, it's winter. Winter. So it has 2 syllables. The word kind-hearted, it's a kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. So it has 3 syllables. The word stop has, it's a stop. Can you divide the word stop into more than 1 syllable? Stop. No, we cannot. So it's only 1 syllable. What is the sound of the letter string EAR in the word where? Where. So it's air. What is the sound of the letter string ER in the word early? So it's ER. What is the sound of the letter string EER in the word heart? It's R. Let's move to number 70. What is the sound letter string EER in the word year? Ear. Number 71. Which word has the same sound of the letter string OUGH at the word tough? So tough will be cuff, rough, or through. Of course, tough rhymes with the word rough. 72. Which word has the same sound of the letter string ICE at the word rice? Rice matches with police, nice, or practice. Of course, rice rhymes with nice. They have the same sound of the letter string ICE. The letters ICE in the word rice and the ICE in the word nice, they are pronounced in the same way. Number 73, which word had the same sound of the letter string IU at the word shout? Shout will be journey, for, or without. It will be without. Number 74, which word had the different sound? I'm looking for the different sound of the letter string EIGH, eight, weight, height, and the neighbor. So I have eight. I have weight, 8. I have height, high. I have nay, a. So which one that has a different sound? Of course, it will be height. Number 75, which word that has a different sound of the letter string EAR? Where, pair, bear, or hearth? Of course, it will be hearth. Har, like R. Bear, air. Pair, air. And where, air. Let's move to 76. The word book rhymes with the word cook. Of course, this is true. What does the suffix er mean in the word teacher? In teacher, I have er, so it means one who. When you do not listen to your parents, you, of course, disobey. We answered these questions before. When you want to watch something again, you re-watch. Let's move to number 80, and this is the last page. Knowing the meaning of the prefix mes helps you know that misdirect means misdirect. We mentioned before the prefix mes means wrongly, so it means to direct wrongly. 81, what does understandable mean? Understand, I have able, so it means able to understand. 82, knowing the meaning of the prefix helps you know that unconnected, so it means equals not. So unconnected means not connected. 83, what does mess mean in the word mess place and mess read? Opposite, not, wrong or incorrect. Of course, it means wrong or incorrect. The prefix means, again, not before or too much. We mentioned here that means not, so means not. 85. What does the suffix able mean? Able means able to do something. When you do not agree with someone, you do not means you disagree. You not agree with that person. What does the prefix des mean? Not or opposite. Again, too much, earlier or before. Of course, des means not or opposite of. What does reread mean? I have re, the prefix, and the root read. So reread, the prefix re means again. So reread means to read something again. Read again. We have finished answering the revision sheet. Study hard, and of course, if you have any questions, make sure to send these questions on the LMS. Thank you.